These guiding truths were never bound to place or time or name. They move beneath all paths of life, unchanging all the same. No matter where the journey leads, or how the world appears, these laws remain as steady ground through every age and year. The commandments stand eternal, not shaped by land or road. They live as quiet laws of life that steady heart and soul. Like breath and earth beneath our feet, they do not bend or stray. They guide all people everywhere along the same true way. Along the same true way. When harm dissolves and truth stands clear, confusion finds no place. When nothing taken, nothing held, the mind can rest in grace. Desire loosens, grasping fades. Contentment gently grows. In living by these constant truths, the deeper order shows. The commandments stand eternal, not shaped by land or road. They live as quiet laws of life that steady heart and soul. Like breath and earth beneath our feet, they do not bend or stray. They guide all people everywhere along the same true way. Along the same true way. These laws were never meant to change with season, fear, or need. They mirror the design of life in thought and word and deed. When honored peace arises, when broken disorder spreads, the path remains unchanged and clear, no matter where it's led. To walk in truth is to picture